Every day's a holiday with Hotpoint.
I'm Happy Hotpoint. Uh-oh, there's a nice-looking couple in search of a home. Just wait till they see that Hotpoint kitchen.
And this cleverly designed kitchen comes completely equipped with the finest modern appliances.
Oh, here's something I want in my home, a dishwasher.
Well, I don't blame you, lady. This new 24-inch Hotpoint dishwasher gets more attention than anything we've got in the house. It outwashes and outrinses every other dishwasher. In the first place, a Hotpoint dishwasher washes everything twice, using fresh detergent each time. You just load these 2 cups with detergent and flip the cover into place. During the first wash period, detergent is used from the uncovered cup, and the 2 little tanks in the cover fill with water. Now, here's where Hotpoint is way ahead of other dishwashers. As the water drains out of the first tank, the weight of the water held in the second tank uncovers the fresh detergent that is used in the second wash period. After the second wash, the dishes are clean, but they must be rinsed. And no matter how thoroughly dishes are rinsed, the water collects in drops that dry in spots like this. But Hotpoint has solved the spotting problem by automatically injecting a few drops of a special wetting agent into the second rinse. This wetting agent causes the rinse water to spread so smoothly that it cannot collect in drops. In a Hotpoint dishwasher, everything dries spotless. So, Hotpoint's exclusive system of spotless cleansing not only leaves dishes hygienically clean, it actually makes everything sparkle.
Tell your dealer you want the dishwasher with that Hotpoint sparkle.
Thank you for watching. Your support means everything to us. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below with your feedback or suggestions. More exciting videos are coming soon, don't miss out. See you again very soon.